Here's how to use shortcodes in the WordPress editor. I have a plugin installed that creates a shortcode called Post Published. It simply posts the date of publish of whatever you're looking at. So let's go back to our editor here, and there are several ways to do this. First is to use the shortcode block, but we need to wrap it in a row. So I'm going to search for row, and then I'm going to click this little plus and put in a shortcode block. And then I will paste mine right there. And click update. And now we'll take a look at it. And there it is. But one of the great things about shortcodes is that it can be placed right in the middle of other text. So you can do a paragraph and say, this post was published on, and then paste in the shortcode and hit update. And now we'll take a look at that. So that's two different ways you can use shortcodes in WordPress.
If you'd like even more great content, check out winningwp.com and also subscribe to this YouTube channel.